As the transitional West Indies T20 team continues to struggle in Pakistan, there is some potential there, but not enough to propel us back to the world beater status in the format. The fact that other international teams have refined and fine-tuned their strategies in T20 cricket, the likes of England, Pakistan, New Zealand, and even the new world champions, Australia, have leapfrogged the West Indies. That means the rebuilding process is going to be massive. People talking mostly about the batting and the need to be more selective with the aggressive shots and to rotate the strike more and blah, 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 without realizing that the bowling department is gone to the dogs. It don't make no sense. The boundary hitters start firing again, and we start reducing the dot balls, and the team starts posting big totals. And the bowling is rubbish in both the spin and pace department. Right now, the West Indies is ranked at number 9 in T20 cricket. Now that alone should paint a picture of the sadness of the situation.